So, hello. Now I want to show you how to handle this problem. Um, I guess it now looks as this here. So this contact is loose, and you just can pull it out like this. And then you have here on the top, you have the I call it nose, and you have to lift this nose up a little bit. I have this kind of tool. You can use a small screwdriver or a needle or something like this, just to lift this up a little bit. You see, like this. Yeah, I hope you can see it. Yeah. Okay, and then just put it back in like this, and then it should be back on its position. That's it.